Could this be the leaked Dji Mini 4 Pro? Let's jump into it. Now, the Mini 3 Pro is a drone that I've actually been flying for my business, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. So a facelift to this drone would be very welcome, as I'm excited to see DJI improve the quality of the Mini series drones. Drone XL reports, drone enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation as a new photograph reveals what could be the DJI Mini 4. This captivating glimpse emerged earlier today when Jasper Ellens posted this photo on his Twitter account. Now, just for full transparency, this article came out on June 28th, so I'm definitely late to this one, but I still wanted to make a video about it. The article goes on to say what captures immediate attention in the leaked photo are the vertical feet on the two arms of the drone. This feature is familiar to anyone acquainted with the DJI Mini 3. Interestingly, the Mini 3 Pro lacks these feet, fueling speculation that we might be catching a sneak peek of the DJI Mini 4 during a product test flight instead of what could be its more capable brother, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So really, here's my take on this leak. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is absolutely fantastic. It flies very similarly to my DJI Mavic 3 Pro. It's so good that I actually use it for my business. I run a media business, and so drones are a big part of capturing video and photos. And the Mini 3 Pro has been awesome, especially with its vertical camera. Being able to use that drone to create reels for my clients has been absolutely huge. So really, the question is, are we ready for a successor yet? Personally, I think that the Mini 3 Pro is a very solid drone. But if DJI can make a good case for a Mini 4 Pro or just a Mini 4, I would be interested to see what features they're going to bring to the table. I did originally have a DJI Mini and a DJI Mini 2, and those drones were more of a toy to me. They weren't really something that I could use for my business, but the Mini 3 Pro really changed my mind. When I saw the quality that it brought, the ease of use compared to the Mini 2 and the original Mini, and just the fact that it works with the Pro Remote, and all of these different things just make it really worth it for me to have it as a tool in my kit. Definitely looking forward to the DJI Mini 4. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. So have you ever been on the road, either on a road trip, flying your drone, or working for a client and you need to keep your batteries charged? Well, All Powers has a solution. They sent me their R600 compact portable power station, which includes 299 watt-hours capacity, 400 watts of max fast charging, and 10 outputs for charging multiple devices. This includes 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, 2 DC output, 1 car cigarette lighter, and a 15-watt wireless charger with an output of up to 600 watts. All Power's R600 outdoor generator is specifically designed for charging laptops, drones, and other outdoor electronics. Power your outdoor adventures without worry. Recharge the battery pack from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. There's even an app, and it has the ability to recharge itself using solar. For more information on the R600 portable battery pack, or if you're interested in purchasing, please make sure to check out my links in the description below. And when you go on their website, be sure to use my coupon code to get 20% off your order.